I have my catalog open here, and I'd really like to add some page numbers to the lower left and the lower right corner of each spread. Wouldn't that be nice to get some page numbers on there? Well, how do you add page numbers? It's easy if you know where to look. Now, because I want these page numbers to be on every page, I want to add them to a master page. I'm going to be covering master pages in the next few movies, but let's just jump ahead here, and I'll show you how you can add something to your master page. Master pages, like all document pages, live in the Pages panel. So I'll open up my Pages panel, and all the master pages are grouped up here at the top of the Pages panel. I'll double-click on a main page to jump to that master page, and then I'm going to zoom in to the lower left corner here so I can see a little bit better. There we go. I want to add a page number right here on the master page, and that will show up in the lower left corner of all my left-hand pages. So to do that, I'm going to use my type tool, and I'm going to drag out an area for my page number to go in. It's an important fact that you need to make it wider than you expect. InDesign insists that you be able to have a text frame which could fit page 9,999 in it if you really needed to. So it has to be a wide frame in order to get your page number in there. Okay, now that I have the text frame drawn out, I need to add a page number to it, the automatic page number. So where do I find that? I find it under the Type menu. I'll scroll down to Insert Special Character. This is a very special character. It's not a symbol. It's called a marker. And the markers are things that will change. They're like variables that change depending on what's going on in the document. So I'm going to choose a marker called the current page number. Or if you're going to be using this a lot, you should remember the keyboard shortcut Command-Shift-Option-N or Control-Alt-Shift-N on Windows. Anyway, I'm just going to pull it out of the Insert Special Character pop-up menu here. And there we go. It adds the page number. Now, right here, it just looks like an A. Why does it say A instead of a page number? It's because we're on master page A. So it's reflecting what the current page is, and that is A. Later on, we'll see when you're on page 4, it's going to say 4 because it's the current page. Let's do a little bit of formatting here. I'm going to open the Paragraph Styles panel and simply click on the folio paragraph style. Again, I'll be talking about styles and so on in later chapters, but in this document, we already have a paragraph style which will automatically apply all that formatting with just one click. So there we go. We've applied the page number, the folio style to this frame. That's good. And now I'm going to go back to the selection tool and just drag this into position so it looks a little bit better. There we go. Looks good. It is good. Let's go ahead and put another one in the lower right corner. I'm going to zoom back to fit spread in window with Command-Option-0 or Control-Alt-0. And I'll teach you a little secret trick here because I don't want to have to draw out another text frame on this side. I just want to duplicate this one. So to duplicate an object, you hold down the Option or Alt key and drag the object. That just duplicates it over here. It's exactly the same thing as in Adobe Illustrator as well. Option, drag, duplicates. So now I have two different text frames on my master page. Both of them say A. And let's go and find out if it's going to work on our document page. I'll open my Pages panel. I will double-click on pages 4, 5, and there we go. Better zoom in here so we can see this a little bit better. There is page 4. Great. Let's use our power zoom trick to move over to the other side. Zoom in. There's page 5. Great. So the automatic page numbers are working. Okay, now you know how to add page numbers to your documents. But there's a problem. These documents will always start with page 1. So how do you change page numbers or break documents up so that you have Roman numerals in one part and Arabic numerals in another part? That's where you need to know about sections.